Hi, my dear sweet butterflies. Welcome back. It's again EVS class. How are you? Are you fine? Are you happy? Some of you very sad. What happened? Oh, you cannot go outside because of coronavirus. Am I right? We cannot play outside. We cannot go to school. Don't worry. Let us pray to our God. Hope we can overcome this corona problem. Shall we start our study? What did we learn in the last class? We learned the names of birds. Have you forgotten that? Let's revise. All of you please take your EVS textbook. Open to page number 19. All of you look at here. Please say with me. Peacock, peacock, dove, dove, hen, hen, owl, owl, eagle, eagle, duck, duck, crow. Say crow, kiwi, kiwi, hornbill, hornbill, penguin, penguin. Mom is going to show you a penguin. This is a penguin. It cannot fly. It lives in ice-cold places. Do you like this penguin? It is a duck. Duck. It lays eggs. It says quack quack. Do you like this? Children, please turn to the next page. You have to do an activity. Before that, let's learn something more about birds. Let's learn something more about birds. All of you listen carefully. Two birds that give us eggs. Which are they? Duck and hen. Duck and hen. Duck and hen give us eggs. Then the national bird of India. Which is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. All of you say, peacock is our national bird. A bird with a beautiful fan-like feathers. Peacock. Then the biggest bird. Ostrich. Which is the biggest bird? Ostrich. Next, two birds that cannot fly. Two birds that cannot fly. Penguin and kiwi. Penguin and kiwi that cannot fly. Then a bird that is a symbol of peace. A bird that is a symbol of peace. Dove. All of you say, dove is a symbol of peace. Then a bird that can see at night. Owl. All of you say, owl can see at night. You have to practice this at home. Okay? Children, shall we sing a rhyme? Are you ready? Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, another named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Can you sing with me? Once again. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, another named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Do you like this rhyme? Children, let's do an activity. Please take your pencil. Look at the page number 20. Match the names of the birds to the images and write the corresponding numbers in the boxes. All of you please listen the names of the birds and their images. These are the names of the birds. These are the images of birds. There is a number above each birds. You have to write the corresponding numbers in the boxes. These names of the birds are not in order like your textbook. You should listen carefully and do it. First one is Kingfisher. Kingfisher. Where is Kingfisher? This is a kingfisher. It catches fish. What is the number of kingfisher? 5. 5. It is given here. Next one is crow. Where is crow? This is a crow. What is the number of crow? 14. You have to write it 14 in this box. Then next one is owl. Owl. Where is owl? Please listen. This is an owl. What is the number of owl? 11. Please write 11 in this box. Next one is dove. Dove. Where is dove? This is a dove. What is the number of dove? 13. You have to write 13 in this box. Then next one is hen. Please see. Where is hen? This is a hen. What is the number of hen? 12. You have to write 12 in this box. Then next one is duck. Duck. This is a duck. What is the number of duck? 10. You have to write 10 in this box. Then next one is parrot. Parrot. Where is parrot? This is a parrot. What is the number of parrot? 7. You have to write 7 in this box. Then next one is eagle. Eagle. See, where is eagle? This is an eagle. What is the number of eagle? 8. 8. You have to write 8 in this column. Then next one is ostrich. Ostrich. Where is ostrich? This is an ostrich. What is the number of ostrich? 2. You have to write 2 in this box. The next one is sparrow. Sparrow. Where is sparrow? This is a sparrow. It is a small bird. What is the number of sparrow? 6. You have to write 6 in this box. Then next one is penguin. Penguin. Where is penguin? See, this is a penguin. What is the number of penguin? 3. 3. Please write 3 in this box. Then next one is hornbill. Hornbill. Where is hornbill? See, this is a hornbill. What is the number of hornbill? 4. Please write 4 in this box. Then peacock. Peacock. Where is peacock? This is a peacock. What is the number of peacock? 1. Please write 1 in this box. Then last one is rooster. Rooster. Where is rooster? This is a rooster. What is the number of rooster? 9. You have to write 9 in this box. Have you done it, children? Now all of you please take your EVS notebook. Take backside. Please write the date in the margin. This is a small test paper based on the previous classes. Fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. All of you please write these 5 words. After finishing your writing, tell your parents to check whether it is correct or not. Thank you children and have a nice day. Bye bye.